So I did something kind of dumb. After returning from Mississippi, I wanted to start working on the Corvette, get it running again. So I had to remove the transmission, and so I did. So there's nothing under here, because to remove the transmission, I had to remove the exhaust. And here's the vacant hole where the transmission used to be, and there's the flex plate that mounts to the torque converter in the transmission, and there's the engine. And the thing that I did that was stupid was I did it all without taking a video of it. And so I don't know what goes where. So I'm gonna take a video now and try to piece it all together with all these bolts and pieces just strewn about. I'm gonna try to puzzle it out and remember where each little screw came from. It's going to be challenging and ridiculous. So that's my project today.